Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the KitchenAid dishwasher upper dish rack wheel. It's going to be a very easy repair and it'll only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new upper dish rack wheel. The upper dish rack wheel is what the upper dish rack rides in and out on. The main reason to be changing it out is if it's damaged and the upper rack's not going in and out properly. In order to get to the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door. Once you have the door open, we're going to pull the upper rack out so we can take the end caps off. There's two different styles of end caps on this particular dish rack. On this one, all you have to do is push in the button and pull the end cap out. Once you have it off, you can set it aside. To get this end cap off, we're just going to use a flathead screwdriver and push on the locking tab right here and just push it towards the center of the dishwasher. Once you have the locking tab free, you can just rotate it and pull it off. Once you have it off, you can set it aside. Before we pull the dish rack out, we're going to put a towel on the countertop so it doesn't scratch it when we work on it. Once you have the towel down, we're going to pull the rack out. Once you have the rack out, we can set it on the countertop. We're just going to turn it over so we have access to the wheels. There's 4 upper dish rack wheels on the dish rack. They're all changed out the same way. We're going to use a 3/16" nut driver to take out the screw. Once you have the screw out, you can pull the axle and the upper dish rack wheel off and separate them. Once you have them separated, you can pull them out the dish rack. Here's the old upper dish rack wheel next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new upper dish rack wheel in, we're going to drop the axle in. You want to make sure that these 2 tabs go in the down position. Once you have it in, you want to line up those 2 tabs with the slot on the holder. Once you have it in place, you can use the 3/16" nut driver to put the screw back in. Once you have the screw tightened down, we can put the dish rack back in the dishwasher. To put the rack back in, we just have to line it up on the rails and push it back into place. Once you have it on, we're going to push it in and then pull the rails out so we can put the end caps on. To put this style of end cap on, you want to make sure this side is on the inside of the dishwasher. We're going to set the lower half in and rotate it up and lock it on. To put this style of end cap on, all we have to do is line it up on the rail and press the button. Then we can push it in so the tabs line up. Release the button so it locks in place. Once you have the end caps on, we can push the upper dish rack back in, close the door, pull the towel off, plug it back in, take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.